Hi, I'm Matt Ford. I'm with Stratum Structural Systems. We are a basement waterproofing and foundation repair company here in St. Louis. When it comes to conveying trust, I think it starts with us really with our mission statement, which is honesty and integrity.
The whole reason we started this business was we felt that there was a lack in our industry, a need for just taking care of the customer. And that's three simple things that we operate by, is putting the customer's needs first, providing lasting solutions, and eliminating stress.
I think winning the Torch Award for us is more about just winning a trophy. It's a validation of who we are. When we started this company, we felt there was a real void in our industry of reputable companies that would fix problems for homeowners. This is who we say we are, this is how we behave, and winning this award, again, to us is validation that we are doing things that live up to the standards that the BBB portrays.